Welcome. Get ready to dive into the fascinating history and growth of generative AI technologies. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how generative AI technologies have evolved over the years. Imagine this: you're drafting a client proposal or analyzing market trends, and a GenAI tool helps you generate insights or polish your message in seconds. But have you ever wondered how we got here? How did machines learn to generate text, images, or ideas like a human? Knowing the journey behind GenAI helps you understand its strengths and its limitations, so you can use it smarter in your day-to-day work. Generative AI, or GenAI, is a class of artificial intelligence that can create new content, text, images, code, even music, based on what it's learned from existing data. But this didn't happen overnight. It evolved over decades, starting with simple rule-based systems, moving to neural networks, and now to large language models like the ones used in today's workplace tools. Understanding this evolution isn't just for tech experts. It helps you make informed choices about how to use GenAI responsibly and effectively in your job, whether you're in HR, sales, marketing, operations, or support. Let's take a quick journey through the key milestones in GenAI's evolution, using practical examples along the way. By 1950 to 1980, early AI and rule-based systems had been explored. These systems could follow predefined logic, but couldn't generate new content. Think of an HR system that could match a skill to a job description, but nothing more. During the period between 1990 to 2000, machine learning had emerged. AI began learning from data. For instance, email systems started learning to detect spam by spotting patterns, not just rules. By 2014, we saw the rise of generative adversarial networks. This was a big moment. GANs allowed machines to create images that looked real. Designers started using AI to generate product mockups or marketing visuals. By 2017, we had transformers, and this gave rise to modern GenAI. The transformer architecture revolutionized language understanding. It allowed AI to not just respond, but to generate long, coherent text. This is the foundation of the GenAI tools we use today. Between 2018 to 2020, large language models like GPT entered the scene. These models could write emails, summarize reports, or brainstorm campaign ideas, like an extra teammate with 24/7 availability. GenAI tools are now embedded in platforms you use daily, from customer service scripts to onboarding documents to creative content drafting. They're not just futuristic add-ons, they're everyday assistants. Think about your own role. Is there a task you do repeatedly, like writing reports, answering client queries, or creating summaries? How might knowing GenAI's evolution help you decide when and how to trust its output, or when a human touch is still essential? GenAI has evolved from basic rule-following systems to today's advanced content creators. Knowing this helps you apply GenAI more thoughtfully in your role. When using GenAI at work, start by giving it a clear, specific prompt, just like you would brief a colleague. The better the input, the more useful the output. Let's continue exploring how you can use GenAI not just to do more, but to work smarter.